Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Beauty by Shanice, and if you're returning, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of drugstore products. If you're not sure what drugstore products are, they are products that you can get at any store, really. Like you can get at Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens. I'm going to be doing a full face of products you can only find at the drugstore. And before we get into the video, please make sure you guys stay to the very end so you don't miss a single thing. And please subscribe to my channel. I am hoping to be doing a giveaway very soon, so please, you guys, continue to come back to my channel. I want to grow. I'm really excited, so let's get right into the video. I'm really excited to be doing this full face, so without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, on my first application, what do I want to use? Okay, before I do anything to this face, I prime. I've moisturized, but I prime mostly. The first thing I want to get into is Milani Prime Shield. This is my go-to primer because I truly cannot find a primer that I like. I do get oily. I have dry combination oily skin, and I can't find anything that I like yet. And so far, it seems to be doing a good job. I don't know, if y'all have any tips, please let me know. I'm actually just going to be putting that in my problem areas, which is my T-zone, when it comes to being oily. This is a mattifying primer, so it should keep me nice and matte. For foundation, I'm going to get into this brand spanking new Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation. Girl, I love this stuff. And it has, bro, look at, I use the Maybelline Fit Me, okay? Maybelline is glass. What, you see that? Maybelline stepped it up. Okay, Maybelline. I'm just gonna take this. Oh, that's a lot of product. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that is a lot of, that's just one full pump. That's a lot. I'm gonna do 1.5 pumps. And I am going to take this kabuki brush and just start patting that on my face. And I'm gonna go back in as needed. What is the claims for this? This is a full coverage foundation, and they're not lying. I've actually been using this more than once, so I would know. It's a full coverage foundation, up to 24-hour wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable. Okay, fade and transfer resistant. Okay, it is oil free, doesn't clog pores, it is dermatologist tested. Yeah, those are some pretty good and striking claims. Look, let me tell you something. Maybelline is coming for the next of these high-end makeup brands. They're like, look, we can do the same exact thing y'all doing and do it better. And I'm here for it. That is, it's very full coverage. Very full coverage. I will give it that. It's covering up a lot. I'm here for this. Come on. Okay, my concealer, I don't technically have a drug store concealer, but I do have an affordable concealer. I love the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm in the shade Deep Golden. I like this concealer. It does its job. It doesn't clock out early. I love that about a concealer. I don't want to be playing peekaboo with my concealers. That's a problem for me. I'm also going to use this to prime my lids as well. Let me get my forehead highlight on point. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, which you can find this at a Walmart, you can find this at a Target, you can find this wherever Real Techniques is sold, which is at any drugstore, I believe. Can you find this at Walgreens? I don't know. I'm gonna have to check on that. But I do believe you can find it at Ulta on the drugstore side. Real Techniques is affordable. It is not meant to break the bank, and honey, we don't need anything that's gonna break the bank. Okay, to set my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. Okay, now that I look like a pottery mess with darker eyebrows, that's good. Okay, for my drugstore palette, once I find it in my drawer, I'm going to be using the new Wet n Wild ColourCon. I don't know. It's a day and night palette. Like this side here is for day, and this transition shade through here is night. It's pretty interesting. I have never used this palette before. I did, however, take the use. Let's see. Like always, I never know what I'm going to use in advance. I never know what look I'm going to do, ever. So, I'm going to take this transition shade right here. This is a drugstore palette. This Carly Bible. I forgot all about that. This BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette. I'm going to use this transition color. You can see it deepening up my crease pretty nicely. I like it. No, I'm not. I'm gonna take this burnt orange color right here and I'm put that in my crease. Now it does have a big kick up, but that doesn't bother me, honestly. Now just beware, it has a little. I'm gonna take this brush right here and I'll coat that all over my lid. Oh wow, that's pretty pigmented. Okay, I'm gonna go into this gold color right here. We'll go into that, and I'm going to Fix Plus it because it doesn't give me a lot of shine that I like. That's okay. Where's my Fix Plus? I'm gonna pop that right here, kind of in my inner corner. Okay, I'm gonna go to my other eye and then I'll be right back. But I do have lashes. that. You can find this particular one at Ulta Allure. This is the Jasmine Brown's collaboration. She is stunning. Oh, I love this. And I love these lashes, girl. Yes. These are dramatic, and these are called JB. I'm gonna pop these on, and then I want to finish the rest of my eye look, so I shall return. Okay, here is where I show you guys how I do my lower lash line. And as you can see, I am taking that same exact red shadow that I have on my lid, and I'm sweeping it across my lower lash line. I am not going completely all the way across the lash line. I leave the inner corners untouched, and then I go back into that palette and I use that brown shade that I was pointing at, and I put that in the outermost part of my eye. I don't sweep it inward, or I just keep it out on the outside of my eye. Kind of want to smoke that part out just a little bit, just to deepen and darken it up. And then I go into that gold shade that I put in the tear duct in my inner corner of my eyes, and then I take some Fix Plus and I put that in the inner corner of my lower lash line. And that is how I achieve this eye look. Okay guys, we're almost finished with the face. I'm going to go into blush, and I'm going to be using a Milani blush. I'm going to use this Tea Rose. Is that the one? Yeah. This Tea Rose. And I'm going to be using this contour brush to stamp it right along the cheeks. Okay guys, that is the final video. This is my final look. You guys, I really enjoy doing things like this, so please, if you have any requests, let me know. But this was a fun, easy, simple look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Come back to my next video. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Just be here to watch me and all my makeup tutorials. This is what I do. This is what I enjoy doing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So y'all, really, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So bye.